Hey guys, RedPandaMining here. Hope you're doing well. Having a really great day. Man, Bitcoin is dropping hard right now. You guys just saw Bitcoin's like 90,000. I think maybe like an hour ago as of recording it went below 90,000. Oh well, doesn't matter. We're still crypto mining. I think a lot of you guys are still crypto mining as well, but maybe not. Maybe not Bitcoin mining anymore. Bitcoin mining is getting kind of scary now, now that Bitcoin's 90,000. Some ASIC models are not doing too hot, but nonetheless, I want to talk to you guys about a trade that I am going to be doing with a fellow YouTuber, and that is going to be with Mr. Motor City Miner. He is a heavy ASIC and GPU miner. Actually, I think a much bigger GPU miner than ASIC miner. So I'm going to make a trade with him of a FluMiner L1, okay, 5.6, almost 6 gigahash script miner, because he needs a heater. And so he has offered me something which I want to talk to you guys about, whether or not you think it's a good idea or a bad idea. But otherwise, I've already accepted the deal. So I'll let you guys know what I traded for right after today's sponsor. CryptoMinerBros.com. Since 2018, Crypto Miner Bros has been the go-to source for all the top crypto miners trusted by miners worldwide. The prices you see on their website includes shipping and DDP to your door, so there are no surprises at checkout. They ship to over 100 countries and even offer lower invoicing to help you save on customs fees. Pay with direct bank transfer or crypto payments such as Bitcoin, USDT, or Kaspa. Ready to save even more? Use code RedPanda at checkout for $70 off each ASIC ordered. Join tens of thousands of satisfied customers who trust Crypto Miner Bros for their successful hardware fulfillment, transparent pricing, and world-class service. Visit CryptoMinerBros.com today, link down below. Alrighty, so this FluMiner L1 I've had sitting here. This is like a home style miner. It's quiet, it makes a nice heater. So Motor City Miner asked me if he wanted to do a trade for this FluMiner L1, and I was like, yeah, let's do it, man. What are you gonna offer for this FluMiner L1? And so he has offered, all right, he's offered GPUs. I know what you guys are thinking right now. Probably yelling at your screen right now. Red Panda, what are you doing? Why are you trading for GPUs? And yeah, I said that to myself as well. I said, I shouldn't trade for more GPUs because look at the amount of GPUs that I have sitting right now. Why do I need more GPUs? Well, they're not here, but on the screen here, these are the GPUs that he was willing to trade for me for the FluMiner L1. So you see on your screen, there are 4 170HXs and 4 almost Radeon 7s, I believe, or MI50s. They're AMD cards. And so I thought to myself, sure, I will do this trade because I think the 170HXs, which 4 of them are the 8 gigabyte model, so I can, I believe they're already BIOS modded, he said. He already did the BIOS mod on them. So they get a lot more efficiency, better efficiency than the stock one. And just as everyone knows, a 10 gigabyte card, you cannot BIOS mod the 10 gigabyte card. But still an efficient GPU anyway, the 170HX. Anyways, why am I also getting or trading for the 4 MI50s? Well, those MI50s, okay, I have been reading that there are some platforms out there that are willing to take those, you know, Radeon 7 MI50s with the 16 gigabytes of VRAM and, you know, HBM2 memory. Apparently the MI50s are okay for some type of compute, some type of AI, essentially. So I'm going to try to utilize those MI50s for some type of AI platform. I do have a rig. Some of you guys may remember I did have a 3090 rig, a 3x3090 rig on like an open air rig. And it had riser cables, and I had a AMD EPIC CPU setup. I still have that rig. I still have all the components. I'm thinking of putting the MI50s on there, and then I'm gonna put those Radeon 7s or MI50s on like clore.ai or Octaspace. I think Octaspace allows AMD cards. So I'm thinking of trying that. Let me know what you guys think down below of this trade, okay? You know me, I wanted more 170HXs, and the MI50s was just I don't know. I thought to myself, hey, I'll try the MI50s on some type of AI just for fun. But the 178Xs now, so some of you guys may be asking, Red Panda, the value though, isn't the FluMiner like $2,000? Yeah, I think right now the FluMiner L1, even though I guess the market right now is kind of tanked, so I think the used market for the FluMiner is about what, between $1,500 and I'm gonna say $1,500 to $1,800. And so I thought to myself, the 178Xs right now, you look on eBay, the 178X goes for I think $250, sometimes $350, $400, and the MI50s I don't think they go for that much, like $100 maybe. So almost, I'm gonna say pretty much it could be an equal trade depending how you look at it, depending on the price. You guys let me know down below. But I think right now the FluMiner in terms of profitability at my 8 cents electric in this basement here, this thing's only making about what, $2 a day right now. I think the 178Xs for me, if I had them running at my other location at 7 cents, I would be making about, I think, 35, 40 cents a day on each 178X. So not equating to MI50s. I don't think MI50s are not profitable on any type of mining right now. But I thought to myself, hey, I'll try those on AI and see if it works out. You guys let me know. Is this a good trade or a bad trade? All right, that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about. But Motor City Miner, man, I know you said you needed a heater, and so hopefully this will be it. I have the original box already right here, and I will place the FluMiner in here and get that shipped out to you, my friend. And I know you said you already had the GPUs all ready to ship to me. And yeah, that's gonna be awesome. So that's it. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm just gonna end off here. Yeah, my basement, it's I'm actually worried about some of these ASIC miners now that the market is going down. And I think profitability wise, some of these ASICs are not doing too well. The Z15, you guys know I just sold for like 10K USD. This thing is just printing right now, and I'm printing to that gentleman. I'll show on the screen here. I think he's already earned like 500, 600 bucks in Bitcoin already. So I've been meaning to ship it out to him, but I have the box here. I kind of don't want to turn it off because it's literally just printing for him right now, and I kind of want to just keep printing for him. So I have the original Z15 Pro box for him, and I'm just thinking, like, I kind of want to clean up this Z15 Pro because it's very expensive right now, and I don't know, I kind of want to clean it up and just blow out any dust, wipe it all down, and get it all cleaned up before I ship it out. But I don't want to ship it out because it's going to be offline for like, I don't know, however many days it takes to ship to him in the US, which would be I think about 8 to 10 days. I can pay for faster shipping, but that might be very expensive. But anyways, yeah, my other ASICs, I think the L7 is only making less than $1 a day now at my 8 cents electric here. The L9 is still okay. I have 2 Casper miners, KS5 Pros. Those are losing money now, extremely losing. I should really turn these off. And then I have Seal Miner A2. That's getting kind of iffy. Bitcoin miner. And then I have AlphaFX DG1 Lite. I think this one's still making a couple bucks a day. So yeah, it's getting tight. It's getting tight. I don't know about you guys, but ASIC mining, now that the market is coming down, it's gonna be a bloodbath, I think, for people that have anything under 8 cents, 9 cents, 10 cents electric. I think there's going to be some people turning off now if this market stays as is. But I wonder if it's going to be like a battle of attrition. So some people may stay on, you know, pay for electricity out of pocket. But, you know, if they're doing the whole mine and hodl method, how long could they, you know, stay afloat? The battle of attrition, everything is just, you know, they're getting worn down, right? How much capital will they have left to stay on, keep on mining, right? That's the name of the game. Right, and timing's everything. So I don't know. That you guys let me know. Actually, I've been thinking about doing a video about that because if it's the bear market now, or the start of the bear market for crypto mining, that might be pretty rough. For people that are going to continue to mine at higher electrical rates or maybe breaking even, or maybe are doing the whole, you know, breaking even mine and hodl. That might be rough if they don't have extra capital, extra money coming in to pay the electrical bill out of pocket. Yeah, I think we might see some hash rates drop across the board, I think. amongst a lot of maybe bigger mining farms out there. You guys let me know. Anyways, guys, yeah, I'm still in the process of cleaning stuff up, and I've been selling some GPUs. A lot of people have been asking me, so I'll keep you guys updated of what I was supposed to do. I was supposed to live stream cleaning these up, but to be honest, a lot of these GPUs are actually not that bad. They're really not that dirty. Anyways, guys, my camera is showing that it's overheating. I gotta stop this video now. All right, so I'll see you on the next one. Let me know what you guys think about the trade for the FluMiner L1. Let me know down below. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one. Peace out. Stay positive, everyone. Stay positive.